my name is Fama Jallow and I am from the Gambia. I have a background in aerospace engineering and I'm excited to be here on the SpaceVrse site. I am currently the first certified female drone pilot from the Gambia. I speak Mandarin fluently. And also one of the few female from the Gambia with a background in aerospace engineering. I am currently the founder of Unitox. You can call Unitox the data fashion for students and young professionals. Something that I am also really passionate about is space education and accessibility, and that's where my role comes in as the African Space Education Program Coordinator for SGSC. I'm really excited to be here on the SpaceVrse site, and I do hope all of you stay on here to learn more about my story and my experiences. And I also want to take this chance to thank SpaceVrse for just bringing us together and creating a platform that has really not ever been done within the space industry. Please do stay tuned to learn more about me, my story, and more about the space industry.